Hi all, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. My name is Ankush. Today I will show you how to read pipe separated file CSV file in the Python. Okay, so first I need to import my pandas. So as I'm saying, import pandas as PD. Done that, it has been imported. Now let's read the data. The file CSV file which I'm talking about the Netflix, which has this pipe separated file. So how to import this file? That's me. I'm saying net pd it dot csv open pasted my path file which I have stored the Netflix data. Okay, and net is the variable I will store all the things in this net variables. Okay, let's run this. I got the error. Okay, so whenever we are talking about the pipe separator file, whenever we are going to read the pipe separator, there is no direct way to use the pipe separate CSV file to read separate file. So we need to use a variable, a function is this SAP means separator equal separator. Okay, yes, it's successfully loaded. Let's data. So you can see this Netflix data have been loaded in my Python Jupyter. And one thing you observe that 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, the columns are repeated. I want this column, so these are the index basically. I want only the one should be visible, one column should be visible, like 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and other should be the height. So we need to say index all equal to 0. I need to show top 5 so I can see. Yeah. Now you can see that these are the index has been started from 0 to 5 because I am saying the top 5. Okay, and the other duplicate has been removed. That's it from this video. If you like this Python pandas video, please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.